missed it. That was the best drift we had. God damn. Shoo. Yeah, you can't do that. Ready? Oh, didn't work.
Watch out for the dog.
Yeah, what you gonna say, bro? Huh? Oh, alright. Get your ass beat. Boy. We side. That was dope. That's dope. I'm literally driving sideways. Oh, yeah. And I know you saw that. Stop playing with your boy. Shit, drifting in the snow. And I'm front wheel drive. I'm too nice. Fucking NASCAR driver and shit. Fucking Paul Walker, boy. Vin Diesel, motherfucker. Ah! Don't hit me now, buddy. I'm going first, bro. I was here first.
You take too long. That's why people are confused.
I don't give a shit. They ain't automatic. Well, that parking lot over here.
Go ahead.
Looks like they plowed it though. And there's cars. God damn it. Yeah.
Who would be here?
Huh?
Who would be here?
Oh no.
Weirdos.
All the parking lots are freaking plowed, but the streets. Like the streets are plowed, but it's like, you know what I mean?
Not them building more apartments.
Looks like it. Bro, there's like no lights. It's like, this shit look dead, bro. That's why I hate this shit. Like, anyways, if y'all want to see vlog channel of, you know, just me doing vlogs or pranks or anything like that, my main channel will be in the description below, so make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to that as well, because we be posting on there. I post on there every 3 days, so make sure y'all stay tuned for those. I'm trying to come up with, or trying to do more POVs, of course, but all this damn snow and everything, And plus, recently had COVID and all that. But if y'all want to see like the updated of everything that's going on, like I said, go to the main channel.
Sorry, it's shaky. There's like mad bumps.
Man, bro. Oh my God, bro. Fix your damn roads. Man. Turn green. Let's go. 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 I'll be sitting here for a year. Never mind. That's gonna conclude today's video for the POV. Like I said, if y'all want to see vlogs or pranks or anything, go to the main channel. I will be posting more POVs, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And we're gonna be trying to do some more upgrades to this as well, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that as well. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next POV.